Have you ever wondered why brown eggs often cost more than white eggs? I mean, they're both eggs, right? Well, today we're cracking open the mystery behind why you'll typically pay more for those brown beauties at the grocery store. Stick around because the answer might surprise you. Many people think that brown eggs are healthier, more natural, or even taste better than white eggs. But the truth is, there's no nutritional difference between them. Both brown and white eggs are packed with the same protein, vitamins, and deliciousness. The real answer lies in the chickens themselves. White eggs come from chickens with white feathers and white earlobes, while brown eggs come from chickens with red feathers and red earlobes. These brown egg-laying hens tend to be larger, which means they need more food to produce eggs. And more food means higher costs for farmers. On average, brown egg-laying hens consume more feed, which translates to higher costs in raising them. This increase in production cost is passed down to consumers, making brown eggs just a little pricier. But remember, it's not about the egg being superior, just the bird that lays it. Another reason why brown eggs may seem more expensive is the perception that they're somehow better or organic. Brown eggs are often associated with organic farming because many organic farms raise larger brown egg-laying chickens. But you can find both organic brown and white eggs, so it's really not about the color. So, the next time you're choosing between brown or white eggs at the store, just remember, there's no need to shell out extra unless you prefer brown for aesthetics or support a specific farm. The only real difference is in the chicken's feathers and your budget. Which do you prefer, brown or white eggs? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video egg-citing, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy egg shopping.